Good evening, friends. Welcome to Research Trade Profit. Today I am recording this call on 11th of January 2017. So this is the time and 9:20 p.m. That is a night. I am recording this call on January 11th. So let us check today's crude oil call and how the call performance was done by seeing our intraday chart. So this is our website, researchtradeprofit.com, and here every day we will upload advanced intraday trading levels before market opens. Every day morning before 9 o'clock, the levels will be updated and you can trade accordingly. So this is our website, researchtradeprofit.com. You can register, become our paid client by just paying a subscription fees of 1,000 rupees for a whole month. You will be getting levels for MCX and NSE and also F&O stocks. So let us check today's crude oil call. So I'm just searching a crude oil here. So this is the crude oil call, 3492 buy and sell at 3533. This was the call in levels in crude oil today morning. So let us check crude oil. So here I have drawn the buy and sell entry. Just a moment. Yeah, this is a crude oil intraday chart. You can see this here. Open low high open high low close. You can see over here. This is the date 11/1. That is 11th of January. And here the crude oil was opened around 3488, 3484, and our entry was 3492 for buying. This is the line 3492. We have a buy call. That means at the time of here this candle, you can see 12 o'clock 50 minutes, crude oil buy call was activated, and you can see the stop loss was given at these levels. This was the stop loss 3472, and we had a stop loss of around 20 points in crude oil. And let us check what was the target. So here you can see early morning we had a buy at 3492 levels, and our target was 3519. 3519. Here this candle high 3522. The target was done. We booked almost a profit of 3492, 3519. 27 point we got in crude oil, and we had a risk of 19 points. So this was the call, and again we have sell call was generated at 3533. You can see this 3533. This was the line 3533. But as I have mentioned, you have to wait for the trade confirmation. So here it was a huge gap. It was a huge rally here, and here we got this candle. It was a closing above our sell level 3540. This was the closing, and again this is intersected. It has given a breakdown that this candle, that is 9 o'clock 15 minutes, crude oil again sell call is activated. You can see this. This is still a running market. So as of now we are in short position in crude oil. So it is very near to middle of the stop loss and our entry. So this is how our calls will generate every day. I hope today's call is I have shown the video of today's call, and let us check same thing in gold also. Today morning gold we had a sell at 28,212. I will open a gold chart. This is the gold entry 27,075 buying and 28,213 selling. 28,212. This is the line. Here sell call was activated at time of 10:35. As 10:35 sell call was generated in gold, and it came up to just 28 160 182, that is almost 35 points. It came down after sell call generated, and again it was continue went up, and stop loss was, and our stop loss was let me see the stop loss what was happened. Let us check the stop loss. As I have mentioned here, you have to put at least some difference points. Here we have given the how to use the stop loss and targets. Gold at least 10 point different you have to keep between the stop loss, actual stop loss, and your real stop loss. And same way silver 15 to 20 point difference between the given stop loss. And crude oil 2 to 4 points we recommend to put a stop loss according to client's risk aptitude. So let us check our exact stop loss. What was the actual stop loss in gold? We had a stop loss of 28,282, where 10 point difference means it will come to 292. So let us check. This was the stop loss 292, and this candle you can see it was a high of 28 289, 282 we have actual stop loss, but we recommend to put 10 point difference because this will happen many times that our exactly it will touch the stop loss, and from there reverse chances are more. So we mentioned at least put some difference accordingly so that you should not book loss and you can come out of profit in that trade if possible, or else you may by closing of the day you may get a cost to cost exit position. So this was the idea behind our technical levels. And so here you can see gold stop loss is not hit as our advisable uh, statement, but according to the actual this one calculation stop loss was triggered. So again you can see here this was a sell call, again it was a sell call given a confirmation 211. This was a candle where it is given a clear confirmation that again it was a sell call. If you don't consider this as a stop loss, safe call, so might be this stop loss might have triggered for you for the day. That means a risk of around 70 80 points you might have lost in gold one lot. So again it has given a second chance to re-enter the market. In this candle you can see how it was drastically came down at the time of this candle. 7 o'clock 40 minutes, this was a candle 7 o'clock 40 minutes, and our target was in sell call 121 and 98 was the second target. So let us assume a 121 here itself. So this was the candle at the time of 8:30. Gold came down and our target was done in gold. So if you consider this was the first stop loss triggered and you booked a loss of 80 points also, from here again you got let us check what was the return again in second entry. Just a moment, let us open the chart and calculate the things. 28,213 we had a sell call, and assume that 21 125 itself you have booked the profit, or you can take 130 also. 83 points you got in crude oil, sorry, in gold, that means 8,300. And if the stop loss was triggered, then let us check what would be the risk. 28 213 and stop loss 28 282, that means 69 points, 6,900, and here you have earned 8,200. That is almost your loss is covered with the brokerage. This was the levels, and this is how it will work. And again we had a buy at 28,075, but unfortunately we couldn't get a moment chance to enter at that level because 28,082 was the low. From there again it went to up to 150, 70 points higher from the almost the from buying level. So this is how this candle will work. This is very simple chart. Since we are using it, we have made it very simple to understand the market for newcomers and who don't have much technical knowledge. They can refer our levels for trading, and I hope you got some idea on how to use these levels. You can make a payment for this service by just paying over here. Visit our website research@profit.com and click on make payment, you can just subscribe the service for 1000 rupees for 1 month. And thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe this channel so that every day you will get a new update, and you can just have a confidence on how our levels will work out. And once you feel confident that something is you are getting knowledge from this website, then you can become our paid client. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.